Everyone dreams of owning a home, a space to call your own. But in Guwahati, even the richest 5% of earners in Assam would need 27 years of savings to buy a modest house. Yes, you heard that right. 27 years. And the question is, why? According to data from National Housing Bank and National Sample Survey Office, the top 5% urban households in Assam earn about rupees 8.8 lakh annually. With a saving rate of 30%, they save roughly rupees 2.6 lakh per year. But a modest 110 square meter home in Guwahati costs over rupees 72 lakh. That means they would need to save every rupee for nearly 3 decades just to afford a house, not factoring in daily expenses, inflation, or emergencies. Many turn to home loans, hoping EMIs will make home ownership possible. But here's the harsh truth. Even with a loan, the math doesn't add up for most in Guwahati. For a rupees 72 lakh house with 20% down payment and a 20-year loan at 9% interest, the EMI comes to around rupees 56,000 per month. But remember, Assam's top 5% earners make rupees 8.8 lakh a year or about rupees 73,000 a month. That means the EMI alone would eat up over 75% of their income. And we are talking about the richest 5% here. This isn't financial planning. This is financial survival, and for the remaining 95% of Assam's population, even qualifying for a home loan is out of the question. So what's driving this gap? Guwahati's housing prices have surged, but salaries haven't, jobs haven't, and industries haven't. Unlike cities like Bengaluru or Hyderabad, Guwahati hasn't seen a tech boom or an influx of high-paying jobs. There's no major industrial base, no IT park, no big private sector growth. And government jobs, once the backbone, are no longer enough to keep pace with modern living costs. Let's hear what the people of Guwahati have to say about this.
मैं इधर बिजनेस स्टार्ट है, मेरा खुद का रेस्टोरेंट है.
I am practicing as an advocate in the Guwahati High Court since about 20 years.
हम बिजनेस करते हैं.
I am doing government service.
इसका इनकम कवर हम लोग का जैसा आदमी इधर ये दुकान दे के ज़मीन खरीद करके गुवाहाटी में घर बनाना इतना आसान बात नहीं है. 10-15 साल हो खर्च आएगा.
At this present, it is maybe impossible.
घर खरीदने का बात तो अभी हम लोग के जैसे मिडिल क्लास लोगों के लिए सपना ही रह जाएगा.
आप लोग को मतलब खुद को देखना पड़ेगा कि आप गुवाहाटी में आपका कौन सा जगह ले रहे हो. अगर प्राइम लोकेशन में ले रहे हो तो वो तो बहुत कॉस्टली है.
I think for a normal job holders it is impossible. Not at all. All the income goes only for living only.
नफ़ा नहीं है. आज मुनाफा कम होता है आजकल. पहले था मुनाफा, आजकल तो बिजनेस में पैसा ही नहीं है.
गुड पेइंग जॉब्स नहीं है ऐसे भी नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन जितना पॉपुलेशन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है.
नहीं, हम गुवाहाटी में घर नहीं खरीदते. अगर हमारे पास बहुत सारा पैसा होता है ना, हम गुवाहाटी में कभी घर नहीं लेते.
Then I may think if it is around 1 crore, then it may be possible in Guwahati.
गुवाहाटी सिटी में लेना मतलब प्रॉपर्टी खड़े करना मतलब बहुत टफ हो गया है. नॉर्मल पर्सन फ्लैट वगैरह अफोर्ड कर सकता है जो मतलब EMI में.
For many young professionals, buying a home in Guwahati isn't just tough, it's unthinkable. While the government talks of affordable housing and development, execution remains weak. Without real income growth and job creation, even housing schemes will fail short.